Hello, and welcome to Story Time with Mr. Chris. Today, we'll be reading Here We Are. Notes for Living on Planet Earth. Written and illustrated by Oliver Jeffers. Ooh, cool, on the inside cover, there's a little diagram to show you just how to find the North Star. Look, you can use the Big Dipper. And also, it looks like the North Star is part of the Little Dipper. It's just at the end of the tail there. Whoa! There's the solar system. Can you find Earth? There it is! That's where we live. Well, hello! Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. There is so much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. The planet is basically made up of two parts: land, rock and dirt, and sea, water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about the land. Ooh, look, there's really hot. That's for like volcanoes and stuff. Let's see, bumpy. That's like rolling hills and knolls and things like that. Ooh, pointy. That's like on the mountaintops. Cold. That's even higher up on the mountaintops. Oh yeah, and down here you have some of your flat grassland, and then you have the dry, hot deserts. Oh, and you do have some wetness too around the land. We usually call those like marshes or even like rivers and lakes and stuff. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned to swim. Whoa, look at all those sea creatures. I see an octopus. Ah, my favorite, a whale. Is that a narwhal in there? Those are the unicorns of the sea. There is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. Look, it's saying we spin around the sun. Yep. Oh, the moon spins around us. If you look up into the sky at nighttime, you can see a bunch of stars and sometimes different clusters of stars. They're called constellations. They form little pictures in the sky. Oh, the Milky Way. That's the whole galaxy that we're in. Wow, cool. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. Look, you have a head, and inside that head is a brain. You got arms. Let's see. Oh, yeah. You have a heart. Your heart is beating right here. A belly. Ooh, you have lungs to breathe air. You have legs and bones inside of those legs. Bones all inside of our whole body. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Can you think of anything that does grow back? That's right, your fingernails and your hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. Whoa, look at all those different types of people. All different types of ethnicities and all different types of jobs and all different types of interests. Oh man, I bet those people have pretty cool stories. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak though. Though that's no reason not to be nice to them. We gotta still be nice to the animals, right? Ah! Look, this one's called a dodo bird, and he says, "I'm not supposed to be here." And the reason he's not supposed to be here is he's what we call extinct. He lived, the dodo bird lived a long time ago, but it doesn't anymore. That happens time to time too. That's what happened to the dinosaurs. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime, and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night when it is dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. A little baby's in his crib saying, "Please." Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. Oh man. That looks like a very peaceful scene in a meadow. More often, though, they move quickly, so use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Hey, that kind of looks like New York City, where I live. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out. So there is plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. Oh, cool. Look, this is showing some of the cool innovations and inventions that humans have come up with over the years. Look, there's a rocket ship shooting to outer space. You have some boats, cars, trains. Wow. Oh, look, I see a satellite up in space. This is pretty cool. Humans have done some pretty incredible things. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. 7,327,450,667 and counting. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on Earth. The end. Wow. This is a really great book and pretty important given the time that we're going through right now. Some people haven't been treated as fairly as others. And so I think this book really shows us that we're all living on the same Earth. We might as well take care of the Earth. And while we're at it, we might as well take care of each other. If you ever see anyone being mean to someone, maybe it's because of the way they dress, or sometimes, like especially right now, and for a long, long time, some people have been treated differently just because of the color of their skin. That's not cool. If you ever see someone being treated unfairly, who's being bullied, for whatever reason, you should speak up and say, "Hey, that's not right. They're my friend, and they have feelings too. Well, it sure is great seeing you all again. Until the next time, I'll see you all later. Bye-bye, everybody.